it just manipulates the query to be something like a boolean, and so that you just get unlimited access to the database.
Right.
So in those conditions, like what kind of policies are you looking for to actually find an injection that's coming in?
See, that's the thing. That's a good thing with an anomaly detection system. So right now you will have what the approaches you have for SQL injections are specification based. You try to specify all kind of malicious queries that you can think of, but that's really not possible because the space is kind of infinite with SQL injection. So with anomaly detection, the advantage is that you have a model of your normal behavior, and anything that deviates from it, it may not be malicious, but you think that it's worthy of more investigation. So you flag that off as an anomaly. So the case that you describe exactly fits the scenario. The query looks, you are just appending a Boolean predicate at the end of the query, and it looks pretty innocuous, and it will pass most specification-based intrusion detection system. But an anomaly-based system, if you design it carefully, if the model that you build can actually detect that particular query as anomalous. And
I mean, so you have a huge application deployed. You're going to get like kind of a lot of queries.
Yeah.
Where the workload will actually be looking for some kind of check whether the string is present, a lot of. So is there any specific way, like using a transaction, where you can say, okay, this could be a possible, like kind of intrusion?
Again, that's going to depend upon the anomaly detection model, which I did not describe in this particular because this was about anomaly response. But I have some work on creating models for creating anomaly detection models specifically to detect SQL injection attack. Where just to give you a flavor, here you define some correlation between the attributes that are there in the projection clause, like the table's access, and the attributes that you have in the where clause. And you store these correlations with you. And you use that to see if the new query just conforms to those correlations or not. In a very brief nutshell, that's what we do.
Have you used your techniques in some production database server?
Not yet.
Where you could find out how efficient the performance might be?
Not yet. So the ultimate goal is to have it implemented inside PostgreSQL DBMS, and it's going to require changing the server code for PostgreSQL because the kind of response actions that I have described, they're going to require changes to the access control mechanism of the database. But to answer your question, no, I don't have it implemented inside a database, which not even product. First, I need to have it implemented inside a database and run some benchmarks. I guess that should be enough.
Thank you very much.